What time was it that you said you got up this morning, little girl? 7:30? And you have had how long you slept? You slept for an hour or less all day long, and right now it is 8:54. And this is how you act after a day with no nap? You?
Yes,
Is this how you act when you have no nap?
Oh, big stretching.
So you like going to weddings? You like to go to, yes, to Jason and Tabitha's wedding and stay up all night?
Likes to get rid of this.
Yeah, I'll
Get out
bet.
of tights and
I'll
stuff.
betcha.
And I'm
Boy,
just soft.
And do some
She's
crunches?
pretty good natured for being all bound up in fabric. Oh.
Oh my goodness. That's all I can say is we have to record you to prove that this is truly a way a baby acts.
That's a good point.
You recorded.
That's right.
It'll only get richer as she gets older. You are saving people from drowning.
Yeah. A little embellishment.
Yeah.
And today's date is September 29th, 2012. This little 5-month-old girl, this is how she behaves after a day overdone. I think you could be a movie star. You're my movie star. Yes, you are. Yeah. Little pumpkin.
Longest string of talking ever.
Really?
Honestly.
She's not finished either. That's what everybody was doing all afternoon and evening. Talking.
Oh my goodness. If I had a nice zoom on this camera, I would zoom in. If I had anything on this camera that was nice, I would record you with it.
That's good talking.
Tickle, tickle.
Get your hands.
Oh my goodness. Just take a suitcase and go with that one.
Turkey leg.
Flexing those, everything she's got.
baby. Da, 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 da. Baby? Grandpop? Is there Grandpop in here?
Don't look at me. This will make me sick.
Oh yeah, she wants
I'm a girl.
something
Nana.
Hey.
Nana's better to
over
me.
here.
Hey! Hey! Over here! Here we are! Here we are! Here we are! That's right! Yeah! We could dissuade you from being sad.
Let's turn over.
Yeah!
Oh, look at that.
Let's just
Look
get
at
right up
that.
and walk off through here.
Look at that.
Come on, you can do it.
Oh, that right arm, she could have gotten it. There
She'll
you go.
do
Try
it.
again. That's it. That's it. I'll pull your arm out. Ooh, so close. Yeah.
Little girl. Little girl.
Nana went like that.
I don't believe a word of that. Da 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 da. No. That can't be so. That can't be true. All that. Right? Is that right? No.
Maybe you should turn over like that. I'll pull your arm out.
She can do it. She will. Maybe it's just the bedspread's too stiff.
Oh, get that arm out of there. There you go. There. Now, demonstrate your back arches. Oh. Look at the power you have. 180-degree power. Yeah, hi. And she could even
Gotta
go
be
backwards.
tired at this time of day. Good grief.
No, I didn't like that FaceTime. Peek. Are you gonna turn back over? Has she done that? Wow.
She can go where she wants. Here we go. Whoops.
It's a nice soft.
Yeah.
Yeah. But there's no milk. Give us milk.
I think I have to end this or my camera's gonna never load it.
Yep. Hungry. You're gonna get a good night's sleep tonight. Both of you. That's a lot of talking.
It's a lot of everything. It's a lot of everything at this hour.
Are you
Baby.
gonna turn over?
Yeah. Whoops.
Keep pushing with that leg. Yeah, you can turn over.
Look at their feet tied around each other. Maybe I'll come this way.
I'm here.
I'll catch her.
Oh my.
Nice soft bedspread, even if you can't make a turnover. Oh, that arm. Pinned arm.
She's gonna do it. She's gonna do it.
If you raise up that arm, put it under your head, you'd have
She's
it.
got it right now.
Oh.
And get that leg up. Whoop.
Yeah, that's the idea.
You are something else. You are.
Boy, you're gonna sleep like a log.
Oh my gosh. Come on, Ivy, do it. Come on,
So
sweetie.
on the front.
Come on, girl.
Keep once more.
That's it. Come on, girl. This is just too much, isn't it?
It's that underarm. It's all folded up. Are you tired of
You're
this?
mad enough, don't think.
Yeah, your mama could do backflips at a very early age, like 10 minutes.
Not anymore.
Whatever happened.
Oh, I'm right here, I know. Zuba? Zuba boo? Zuba boo?
I couldn't hold myself up that long.
I know. With a big head?
Yeah,
I know. That's a lot of work.
with a normal, just the way I am, I couldn't do it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Put your
There you go.
arm on me.
So feeble.
You're back on your back.
Your mama knows what you want.
The end.